was because I decided to step away and really, really deeply connect to myself again. Doing things from a very superficial point of view, which is who am I to people? What are they expecting of me? What am I expected to go and do? It was never about how I'm feeling, what I want to do. In this moment, what is it that I really, really want to do, which is close to my heart. When you go into this phase that I went into, the focus is very difficult to stay in the middle lane, which has gotten you to the place that you are. That is exactly what happened with me. Because my focus shifted, I started looking at the situation differently. I was in the wrong lane. When I came back to my lane that I'm closest to, everything started flowing again because I'm not thinking about this part of what I do. Hopefully, I will keep being in this space that I will drift, but then you come back very quickly because you've had a knock on your head and a big one. So it's a blessing that I was able to get so much of grace and learning through that phase.
यहाँ से चलते हैं अगली फोटो की तरफ. This is the Asia Cup, ladies and gentlemen. What was your first reaction? Just take me. हम भी सब खड़े थे, T20 format. You also said this is where you least expected, and then things are flowing. When did the 100 come into your head?
To be very honest, the ball before I got to the 100 is the time I felt like, oh, I'm on 94, I could probably get this. And the next ball went for 6. But the thing is that as soon as I got the 100, I laughed so hard. मैं इसके लिए रो रहा था 2 साल से. Like that just for this 2 seconds, I let myself go through that. That moment happened, it ended. Next day, the sun was up again. It wasn't going to be forever. It's not like वो 100 बना दिया, अब मैं pause कर दूंगा और मैं इसी moment को पूरी जिंदगी
Groundhog Day की तरह.
It was so funny. I laughed so hard. I was like, बस यही था.
But you laughed, I'm sure there must have been tears as well because you guys...
Not at that moment, but when I spoke to Anushka, yes.
Later.
It was.
Because I know, beyond a point, जब बंदा इस level पे पहुंच जाता है, milestones keep happening.
Yeah.
But जिस विराट कोहली ने सचिन तेंदुलकर को कंधों पे उठाया था 2nd April को और कहा था that we'll carry this forward. If you are to tell that Virat Kohli, maybe when you get to Paji's record or one ahead, उसके लिए तो बहुत मायने रखेगा. 49 one-day centuries. 2011 में तो नहीं ये सोचा होगा ना. I'm sure.
Chance ही नहीं है.
So if you have to tell him, I know Abhi will play it down. When this happens, you'll play it down.